Good morning and Jai Hind everybody. Now we are on chapter practical geometry. We have completed our exercises 14.1, 2 and 3. Today we are on exercise 14.4 which is based on constructing perpendiculars. Okay. So before I start this exercise, first let me tell you that what is perpendicular actually. Remember always, beta, perpendicular means when you talk about two line segments which are making 90-degree angle with each other, they are called perpendicular lines. Now, have you ever observed alphabet L in your alphabet list? Tell me. जब आप ABCD पढ़ते हैं, the alphabet list, that have you ever thought about the alphabet L? What do you think? This is the example of which kind of lines? Can you please tell me in the chat box? What do you think? Which kind of lines are these? Okay, write it down in the chat box faster. Alphabet L. Yes, absolutely correct, Mini. If you will see this line and this line, both the lines are making 90-degree angle with each other. Okay, so ये दोनों की दोनों लाइन आपस में मिलकर 90-degree angle बना रही हैं. So that is why these lines are called perpendicular lines. Okay, these lines are known as perpendicular lines. Fine. So remember always, wherever you find alphabet L, always remember that you are talking about perpendicular lines. Okay, so let's start how to draw perpendicular lines with the help of different equipments. Okay, so सबसे पहले I am going to help you how to create perpendicular या how to construct perpendicular with the help of set square. So first of all, I'm telling you with the help of set square and ruler. So just write it down, this heading, perpendiculars. This exercise is all about perpendicular you need to draw. So you need to draw perpendiculars with the help of set square and ruler. Note it down this. Now suppose, I'm just telling you, suppose you have been given a line segment. Suppose आपको एक line दी हुई है या line segment दिया हुआ है, whatever. So suppose a line segment is given the name as AB. Okay, there is a point P which is on AB. ठीक है, P point is given which is on AB. You have to create or you have to construct a perpendicular with the point P. ठीक है. Now I am telling you when P is on AB. So I am just explaining it to you. Now look at here. Suppose you have a line segment. It can be of any length. Suppose I am taking of 6 centimeter, or maybe I am taking of 12 centimeter. It can be of 15 centimeter. Just given in the question. जो भी आपको question में दिया जाएगा उसके according. So I am taking that AB. Right now I took 12 centimeter. ठीक है. Now what we have been given, the question says that you have a point P which is on AB. On AB का मतलब होता है बेटा that it can be on this line anywhere. So you can take it here, you can take it here, you can take it here, you can take it anywhere wherever you want. So I am taking P point here. Remember, it should be on the line. On the line means where you have the line, this AB. उसी line के ऊपर होना चाहिए. So I have marked this point P. Now I want you all to take a set square. फटाफट से अपने हाथ में set square ले लीजिए. Because it is telling that we have to use set square and ruler. And take the ruler as well. Now first you observe and then you do it. All of you look at here. First you observe this. Now what I will do, I will just place this ruler here, and on this I will place set square in such a way कि जो आपका पॉइंट P है उस जगह पर एकदम फिक्स हो जाना चाहिए ये. So this I have fixed point P. अब आप रूलर को हटा लीजिए, रिमूव योर रूलर. अब आप इसको स्ट्रेट रखिए सेट स्क्वायर को, ठीक है. एंड टेक योर पेंसिल और मे बी चॉक, what I am using right now, and after fixing this you have to just mark a line on P. Finished. And this line P will be the perpendicular line on AB. Just very simple. You have to place your set square on point P, and remember set square आपका बिल्कुल straight होना चाहिए बेटा, ठीक है, टेढ़ा मेढ़ा नहीं होना चाहिए. It should be exactly straight on the line. And as soon as you place your set square in a proper way on point P, just draw the line which is perpendicular to line AB. That's all. Okay. Now, in the previous question, you have seen that there was a line segment AB, but point P was on AB. Ab this time, suppose P is not on AB. Okay, it can be upwards, it can be downwards. ठीक है, depend on the question. जो भी आपको दिया हुआ हो, ऊपर दिया हो, नीचे दिया हो, no matter. What we will do? सबसे पहले we will have the line segment which is given over here. I have drawn this. I will give the name A, B. I am taking this point P here. You can take anywhere, ठीक है, no matter, आप कहीं पर भी ले सकते हो. I have taken here. You can take it anywhere, wherever you want, but it should not be on the line. Line पे नहीं होना चाहिए. So this is point P. Now I have to just use set square this time because I have already drawn the line और मुझे इसको straight पकड़ते आता है, ठीक है. अगर आपको स्ट्रेट पकड़ते नहीं आता है तो पहले आप इसको रूलर की मदद से पहले ऐसे फिक्स करेंगे. ये बिल्कुल भी टेढ़ा नहीं होना चाहिए बेटा, रिमेंबर इट शुड बी एग्जैक्टली फिक्स्ड. नाउ लुक एट हियर. I will be placing in such a way that the boundary line of this should touch your line segment. Can you see like this? Look at here. You cannot see the line in a proper way. You will be seeing that everything is invisible now. ठीक है, सो यहाँ पर देखिए P पॉइंट पर आपने इस तरीके से स्ट्रेट खड़ा किया. आपका जो P पॉइंट है वो इस ट्रायंगल की, दैट इज सेट स्क्वायर्स के पार्ट को एकदम टच करना चाहिए. नाउ जस्ट यूज ड्रॉइंग ऑफ अ लाइन which should cut point P. Now look at here. पॉइंट P से जाती हुई आपने एक लाइन ड्रॉ कर दी है which is perpendicular on AB. Finished. What do you think now? Is it understood? Yes or no? Please reply in the chat box. So now, always remember one thing. जब आप perpendicular draw करते हैं बेटा, so जब ये line आपस में एक दूसरे से जुड़ जाती है तो जिस point पे दोनों line attach होती हैं, हमें उसे mark कर देना चाहिए. You can choose any of your favorite alphabet which you want it if the name is not given. If the name is given in the book, you will be marking that point only. But if suppose the name is not given in the book, you can choose any of your favorite alphabet to give the name. Okay, so here I have given M, you can give N, you can give R, you can give P, you can give A, whatever name you wish to. Not A, sorry, actually A is given. So you can choose any other alphabet which is not the part of your question. So that's all, which is how to construct perpendicular with the help of set square. अब हमने set square finish कर लिया. Now second part of it, how to draw perpendicular with the help of compass and ruler. Okay, compass and ruler. Now I will be telling you the same thing which we have done it by using set square. बिल्कुल सेम वही काम हम करेंगे, but this time without using set square, we will be using compass in place of it. ठीक है? So all the students draw a line segment AB of any length. Depend on you, just depend on you. Draw a line segment AB of any length. Faster, please. Okay. So now students, you can see on the board, I have drawn the line segment. Now you can read the question. Question is telling you have to draw the perpendicular with point P, but P is not there on AB. P is somewhere else. है ना? P is not on the line. P is, it can be above the line, it can be below the line. Depend on you where you are putting it. है ना? आप अगर चाहोगे तो मैं इसको नीचे भी ड्रॉ कर सकती हूँ. ठीक है? So you can draw it anywhere wherever you want it. So just I am taking it suppose here only. ठीक है? मैं यहाँ इस बार नीचे ले लेती हूँ because पिछले वाले क्वेश्चन में I took it up. So this time I am taking this side. Now what we will do, we will be simply taking this time our compass now. So all the students, after drawing the point P, you leave your scale and take your compass. After taking your compass, just open your compass in such a way that when you place it on point P, आप ऐसे करके देख लो ओपन करके कि क्या वो लाइन तक जा रहा है कि नहीं जा रहा है. आपका कंपास इतना ओपन होना चाहिए बेटा कि P पर रखने के बाद पॉइंटर आपका जो मूवेबल पार्ट है, दैट इज योर पेंसिल पार्ट, वो आपकी लाइन को टच करना चाहिए. ठीक है? नाउ सी दिस, मेरा तो टच कर रहा है लाइन को. अब मैं क्या करूंगी, आई विल जस्ट मार्क एन आर्क like this way. I have marked this. By using point P, I have opened my compass and I marked this kind of arc on line AB. Do it till here. After doing till here, please raise your hand so that I can move ahead. Now students, after making this arc, what you can see, आप अगर गौर से देखोगे बेटा तो देखोगे ये जो आर्क है आपका, वो इस लाइन को दो जगह पर कट कर रहा है. एक यहाँ पे कट कर रहा है और एक यहाँ पे कट कर रहा है, 2 पॉइंट पे. अब आप क्या करेंगे, अपना कंपास उन्हीं पॉइंट्स पे रखेंगे एंड यू विल बी जस्ट मार्किंग एन आर्क अबव दिस, एंड आप दूसरे वाले पॉइंट पे रखेंगे दिस. लुक एट योर, पहले मैंने पहले पॉइंट पे रखा एंड आई जस्ट मेड दिस आर्क. सी दिस, एंड नाउ दिस टाइम आई एम पुटिंग हियर and I am marking it from here. First, I have used point number 1, then I have used point number 2, and I marked like this. This is point number 1, जहां से मैंने कट किया है, and this is point number 2, जहां से मैंने कट किया. कट करने के बाद I am getting an x here, I am getting a x here. यहाँ पर x मिल रहा है, एक तरीके का x दिख रहा है. और वो जो x का मिडिल पॉइंट है बेटा, that is 2 arc where they are cutting, that is your final point. After this, you have to join both the points together, which will be your perpendicular line. Finished. Now I am waiting for everyone. You complete it and then we will proceed with the next portion. Okay, you complete it till here and then we will move ahead. Now students, let's try one more question which is related to this only. So this time again I am taking a line segment AB. आप भी लीजिए लाइन सेगमेंट किसी भी मेजरमेंट का और हमेशा लाइन सेगमेंट स्ट्रेट बनाइए. So this time I took line segment AB. It can be of any length which you wish for. ठीक है, I can take, you can take it 10, you can take it 5, you can take any one of it. Yes, Mini, everybody has to do. Everybody has to do this question once again from upside this time. ठीक है, this time in the previous question I took P below. This time I will take P upwards. So I am taking point P over here. So this is point P. Because the question is telling P is not on AB. On AB means this is not on line. Can be above, it can be below. So the previous question was below, now we are doing it from above. So now our first step is done. Now take your compass. After taking your compass, put this compass needle on P. और P पर आप इस तरीके से रखकर स्प्रेड करिए बेटा, देखिएगा कि आप जब कोई आर्क कट करेंगे तो वो आपकी लाइन को दोनों तरफ कट करना चाहिए, मतलब दोनों दो बार कट करना चाहिए इस लाइन को, ठीक है? Mini, why are you not understanding? I told na beta. Yes, just opposite. If you have done it upward, you will do it downward. If you are doing it downward, you will do it upward next time. Okay, let's try this. So now we will be keeping our pointer on P, and I am just taking the this time. Okay, 1 minute. This is my arc now. Okay, first process that I have drawn an arc using point P, and आपको इस तरीके से आर्क बनाना है कि आपका जो लाइन है उस पे आपका आर्क दो बार कट होना चाहिए, ठीक है? Now I will be marking these points. One is point number 1 दे दीजिए और इसको point number 2 दे दीजिए, because it will help you further now. Okay, now what I have to do, I will be using point number 1 to make an arc. Same way I will be using point number 2 to make an arc, and where both the arcs will cut each other will be my final point. Look at here. So this is my final point जिसको मुझे मिलाना है, ठीक है? So now I will be joining my points and see exactly straight coming. So this is perpendicular line which is passing through point number P. Okay, I have just took it little slanty. ये इस तरफ मिलेगा ना, ये इधर जाएगा. Finished. This is all completed. Once again we did it. Now please show me as you have done it. Now students, we are doing the last pattern of creating perpendicular lines. This time we have again a line segment AB. We have drawn a line segment AB of any length which you wish for. Now this time we have to take point P on AB, because the previous two question which we have done it was not on AB, but this time the point should be on P. So आपने रख दिया, the point P should be on AB, sorry. So this is point P. You can take it anywhere. I can take it anywhere. You can also take it anywhere. जहां भी आपका मन करे वहां लीजिए. So I took it here in middle only. You can take it also anywhere. Now the same process. Again, your first step work is done. Use your compass. Compass का needle रखिए P पे and draw an arc in such a way that it should cut the line like this. The same way as you have done it in the previous one. Now mark, this is 1 number point and this is 2 number point. If you want to mark, fine. If you don't want to mark, it is fine. Now what you have to do is beta, इसके बाद क्या करिए, अपने कंपास को और ओपन कर लीजिए, ठीक है? और ओपन कर लीजिए और ओपन करने के बाद यूज टू, once you will do it like this, and बिना पोजीशन चेंज किए हुए 1 पे भी रख के you will be doing it like this way. ठीक है, once again telling you, जब आपने पहला वाला आर्क बना लिया उसके बाद आप अपने कंपास को थोड़ा और स्प्रेड करेंगे. ठीक है, थोड़ा ज्यादा स्प्रेड करेंगे और स्प्रेड करने के बाद एक बार रखेंगे 2 पे, आर्क कट करेंगे, एक बार रखेंगे 1 पे, आर्क कट करेंगे, एंड उसके बाद whatever is the intersection point of this arc, जहां पर ये दोनों आर्क कट हो रहे हैं, इसको आप इस पी से ज्वाइन कर देंगे. दिस विल बी योर फाइनल perpendicular by point P. Finished. Okay, remember only one change is there, only one change. After making the first arc, you have to spread your compass little more. Only this was changing. Other rest of the things are absolutely same like the previous question. Okay. Now I want to see your diagrams as you have drawn it. That's all from my side. 14.4 is finished.